Assalamu alaikum students. Hope you all are doing well. As you all know, we are discussing exercise number 1.2. Today we are going to start question number 5. First we understand the question. In the question he is saying that it is given that E is equals to, E can also be U, and it is equals to 1, 2, 3 up to 10. Up to 10 means all the elements from 1 to 10. A is equals to 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. B is equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. What you have to do, you have to find A union B whole complement and A intersection B complement. So firstly, we will do A union B whole complement. Here is a bracket. So firstly you solve the bracket and then take the complement. Inside the bracket, A union B is there. So first you will write down bracket A, then put the union side and then write down B. Now, as you all know, in the union, we will write down combinedly the elements of both the sets. Now, in both the sets, the elements are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8 and 10. So these are combinedly the elements of both the sets. So this is the answer of A union B. Now you have to find out the complement. And how you find out the complement? You will write E minus A union B. So firstly you will write down set E, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 minus the answer of A union B, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8 and 10. Now, as you all know, minus means the difference. Means you have to take the difference of these two sets. And the meaning of difference is you have to write those elements which are present in the first set but not in the second set. For example, 1, 2, 3, 4, these are those elements which are present in both the set. So you will not write them. 5 is present in first set but not in the second set. Similarly 7 and 9. So 5, 7 and 9 is the answer of difference of these two sets. Now we are going to start the second part of this question, that you have to find A intersection B complement. There is no bracket, so first you find out B complement. And B complement means E minus B. So first you will write down the set of E, then put the minus sign and then set of B. Now, as you all know, minus sign means you have to take the difference. So, how you find out the difference? All the elements which are present in the first set but not in the second set. 1, 2, 3, 4 are present in both the sets. So, 5, 7, 8, 9 and 10 will be our answer. Now we have to do A intersection B complement, means the intersection between A and the answer of B complement. First you write down a set A, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Put intersection sign and then set answer of B complement, that is 5, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now the intersection means the common elements, and what are the common elements between the two? 8 and 10. So this is our answer. Okay students, now we are going to start question number 6. In question number 6, he is saying that it is given that E is equals to 1, 2, 3 up to 9, means all the elements from 1 to 9. A is equals to 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 and B is 3, 6, 9. What you have to do? You have to find A intersection B whole complement and A union B complement. So first what you have to do? You will write A intersection B. As we first solve the bracket and inside the bracket there is A intersection B. So first you will write down the set A, put the intersection sign and then set B. Now as intersection is the common elements between the two sets. And what is common here? Only 3 is common. 3 and 9. Two elements are common. 3 and 9. So this is the intersection of these two sets. Now A intersection B whole complement is to be done, and whole complement means E minus A intersection B. So first you will write down set E, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 minus the answer of A intersection B, that is 3 and 9. Now minus means the difference, means all the elements which are present in the first set but not in the second set. 1, 2, 3 is present in both the sets, so we will not write it. 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So this is our answer of difference. Now we have to do A union B complement. There is no bracket, so we first find out B complement. B complement means E minus B. So first we write down set E, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 minus set of B, which is 3, 6 and 9. So minus means the difference. So 1 is present in the first set, not in the second set, we write 1. Similarly 2, 4, 5, 7, 8. So these are all those elements which are present in the first set but not in the second set. So we'll write all of those elements. Now we have to find A union B complement, means the union between A and the answer of B complement. So first we write down set A, that is 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9. Put the union sign and then answer of B complement, that is 1, 2, 4, 5, 7 and 8. Now what is the meaning of union? That combine elements of both the sets. So the union will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is not in the both the sets, so we will not write it. 7, 8 and 9. So this is our answer. Going to discuss question number 7. Question number 7 contains two parts. In first part he is saying that find A minus B and B minus A if A is set of natural numbers and B is set of even numbers. So firstly you have to do A minus B and then you have to do B minus A. In A minus B, first you write down set A, and set A is set of natural numbers, and natural numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 up to so on. Means 1 to onward all the numbers are natural numbers. And then you put the minus sign and then set B And what is set B? Set of even numbers. And what are even numbers? 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. These all are even number. Means 0 and all those numbers which are in table of 2. They are the even numbers. Now, when you find out the difference, which elements you have to write, which are present in the first set but not in the second set. For example, 1, 3, then 5, 7, 9, up to so on. These are those elements which are in the first set but not in the second set. So this is our answer of A minus B. Now you have to do B minus A. In B minus A, you will write down B first. And what is B? It is the even number, set of even numbers. So 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, up to so on, minus A. A is set of natural numbers. So natural numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, up to so on. All the numbers from 1 to onwards. Now, which elements you will write? 0 is present in this set but not in this set, so you will write 0. Similarly, 2 is present in this set as well as in this set, so you will not write it. Similarly, 4 is also present in both the sets, 6 is also present in both the sets, 8 is also present in both the sets. So, when you see after 8, 10 will come, 10 will also present in both the sets. So, is there any other number which is in first set and not in the second set? No. So only 0 will be our answer. Now students, we are going to discuss second part of question number 7. In second part, he is saying that find A minus B, B minus A if A is A, B, C, D, E and B is A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U is set of vowels. Now firstly we find A minus B. We write down set A, then put the minus sign and then write down set B. So A is present in both the sets, so we will not write them. Write it. B is present in first set but not in second set. We write B. Similarly, C, D, E is present in both the sets, so we will not write it. So this is our answer of A minus B. Now we have to do B minus A. In B minus A, we write B first. B is A, E, I, O, U, the set of vowels, minus A. A, B, C, D and E. Now A is present in both the set. E is also present in both the set. I is not present, so we write I. O is not present in second set, so we write O. And U. So our answer is I, O and U.